Welcome back, guys. Let's double check the Horizen targets updates with my customer cassette. Take a look. This was a published idea on TradingView, December 16. So the ZEN daily demand reload for new leg up. So this was a drop, break of structure, local one drop, and a bounce from order block or from this local zone. And like you can see, we bounce it almost till penny from this block and go higher. First one, the resistance zone, it will be the previous monthly open. We're gonna focus only on local targets because the global one, I highly recommend you go and check the main video. So this direction we can delete. So here is a price target, previous monthly open. It's around 1457. What we can see here by opens, this order block still relevant, just in case, guys. This zone we can remove it, boss we can remove it, this boss we can remove. So here's a daily open, monthly, yearly. Honestly, I don't think so we're gonna drop to $9.17, but keep in mind, if for example in February we will see the deep correction on a BTC to, I don't know, 85k or maybe even lower, but also I don't think so it will happen. Yes, of course, we can retest the yearly open or even the order block. Also, I don't think so we will drop again so low because of timing. So it's no make sense to drop altcoins again and to give the option for retailers to buy and fill their bags, you know, for the long run. So now we're in, I think, in that market stage where total disbelief, total depression. And while the altcoins slowly, but not with a crazy pump, slowly but surely start climbing up to the tops, some local tops, like for example, the Dash. So just a few months ago, nobody cared about a Dash. Nobody talked about a Dash. I can't even compare with my views on the channel. I got a small channel, small views, you know, but even with this small views, I can compare the behaviors of the crowd. So when you post the video, nobody care about a Dash. When the talking pump it, everybody start browsing, wow, should I buy the Dash price prediction? So it's kind of strange, you know, people always start browse something, start looking some zones where to buy when token already perform like 200%, 300%. That's why the same story can be with the Horizen. So basically from December, middle of December, we already almost pumped 100%. So imagine for someone, yes, 100% round number, 99 and 61. So imagine someone invest, for example, the million, and just in 1 month on the spot, he made $1 million back. Now, of course, some big guys will start withdraw, not maybe all funds, but start withdraw the initial deposit. Daily imbalance zone done, by the way, also. So the next target is previous monthly open and 1791. It's a global FIB. What I showed you in previous videos. By EMAs here on the daily, so we can close this one. We pass all EMA. So now the road is open. Yes, here 18 level by FIB 1791. It's a test of 200 EMA on the weekly and the sweep of liquidity pool November's 2025. So this is it. This is a target. Monthly, also all lines are dynamic. So it's like a 18 level by FIB global one. It's a 200 EMA on a weekly. It's a 50 EMA on monthly. So everything, you know, synchronize it. Done. Let's double check with ADZ direction. Highly recommend you use the dashboard indicator. Just a brand new one. This one. You can adjust any time frame for all these 6 indicators. Market mood in area on a daily time frame. So it's kind of can be the signal for a local correction. It's more than okay to see the correction. Here, ADZ in total overbought. But what we can see the continuation of the upside move, you know, and the form that they weren't see. They weren't on a daily. After that, they weren't on a weekly, and move on to the monthly. No signals to sell on direction indicator. So we can flip to the weekly. Take a look why we can be still early, because of weekly. So daily, yes, we kind of like overbought, but we can trade in overbought zone a long-term period. And after that, we can form the top on ADZ on a weekly. So it's going to be the time to sell step by step. Locally, of course, the people can fix the profit. It's more than okay. But on every single drop, people will sell it and open short position. After that, they will liquidate that, guys, and that liquidation will be like a fool for the upside move, for the uptrend. I think we don't have so much time for the I don't like this this word because it's like a cliche, altcoin season. I don't think so. We have so much time for alts performs, and if January, February, and 3 months of spring will be the green one, not maybe all weeks. It's just 4 or 5 months, and this is going to be the end for us. So build a realistic price target for each token. Locally, if you miss the zone where to buy, what to do now. Honestly, we still in a great condition for the spot, if you believe in Horizen, because 637, 1791, it's a global accumulation zone for investments. If we talk about trade, of course, you have to work with your setup and find the entry for intraday trades. Market smooth here, overhyped. It's total overhyped. And once again, people here start looking the Horizen. I remember because of video. After the Donald Trump dump in October 10, we pump it from $6.63 to $24. Everybody started looking, wow, we need to buy the Horizen. After that, we landed back and take a look at the sentiment. So this is a aphoria, this is a capitulation. Now it's again aphoria. So soon we'll see once again some people start looking at where to buy the Horizen. And again, everything starts after the Zcash pump. Nobody cared about privacy tokens before the Zcash hit the new high. Now everybody, wow, experts in privacy tokens. It's a new trend. It's a new great sector. Why you don't care about privacy tokens before? Kind of strange. On a weekly time frame, it's just positive. It's still not aphoria like it was here in December 2024. That time we've been at $45.85. Now we are in the positive. Last time positive was here, November 74 and January 75. So just you can track it, just add alerts and track. Monthly, still early, it's disbelief, total disbelief. Nobody, still nobody care about a crypto. People will start care about a crypto when it will be higher. 12 time frame, money outflow. This is what I told you. Some guys who already made it double X, just start without initial deposit. Daily also. Here, money in, money out. 1, 2. So they fix step by step. Weekly, no money outflow. Let's add alert to the money outflow on the weekly. For me, it's going to be the great trigger. I'm not investing in ZEN. Maybe I will just open a short position. Trade on. Sell, drop. 1, 2, 3, 4 buyback signal on a weekly. Daily, sell. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Around 7 signals buyback. So it's pretty good one. 12 time frame. It's more for intraday trades. So global targets, guys, you can watch the main videos, and locally, this one zone is resistance. So the most bullish case, if we will see something like this one in January or February and go higher. The last one, most important indicator is take profit, guys. Take a look, 12 time frame, test of the buy line. Now we reject an exit line. Daily, here, take profit line $15, exit line $16.87. So mark the levels and track it. Just a few days ago, here, take profit line. So I created on Tuesday 13, and it's triggered the next day, so on the dash. So the same story will be with the Horizen. Take profit line on the weekly. So this one, soon we're gonna test this line. Weekly, take a look, till penny, almost tested. So soon everything will be synchronized. Exit line on the weekly, it's $16.09. Also, I highly recommend you add alert and track. A monthly, there is no data for the monthly. So guys, I hope you like this video. Right, please send a comment what you think about the Horizen. If you'd like to trade as my customer yourself or show it in this video, just write me a DM. Don't forget to join my Telegram channel. See you next time, guys.